Succulents are like the introverts of the plant world. They don't need much, but when they're happy, they absolutely shine. If you're ready to fill your home with stylish, low-effort plants, keep watching, because these indoor succulents are game changers. Hey there! If you've ever struggled with plants that demand too much, succulents might just be your new best friend. Today, I'm walking you through some of the best succulents for indoors, with care tips that are simple and beginner-friendly. No fluff, just beautiful, low-maintenance plants you'll actually enjoy. 1. Echeveria. Echeveria is the Instagram star of succulents. Its rosette shape and pastel colors make it irresistibly photogenic. This plant absolutely loves bright light, ideally direct morning sunlight. It doesn't like humidity or overwatering, so make sure the potting mix drains fast. And only water when the soil is bone dry. If you notice it stretching or losing its compact shape, that means it needs more sun. It's perfect for windowsills, shallow planters, or even centerpieces. 2. Jade Plant. Cressula ovata. The jade plant is a classic for a reason. It has thick, oval-shaped leaves and a tree-like appearance that gets more sculptural with age. This one thrives in bright, direct light, so give it a sunny windowsill if you can. It needs watering only when the top inch or two of soil feels dry. And like most succulents, overwatering is the main thing to avoid. It's known as a symbol of good luck and wealth in some cultures. And if you care for it right, it can grow for decades. 3. Haworthia. Haworthia is one of the easiest succulents to grow indoors. It's small, slow-growing, and has these gorgeous white stripes across its thick, green leaves, almost like a zebra. It loves bright, indirect light, but can tolerate lower light better than most succulents. Water it only when the soil is completely dry, about every 2 to 3 weeks, depending on your home's humidity. Use a cactus or succulent mix for good drainage, and avoid letting water sit in the rosette center. It's perfect for desks, shelves, or even a sunny bathroom window. 2. 4th Zebra Plant. Haworthia fasciata. Not to be confused with the tropical zebra plant. This Haworthia version is a small succulent with bold white stripes across its pointy leaves. It's a great choice for lower light areas, like an office or bedroom that doesn't get full sun. It's very drought tolerant and only needs watering every 2 to 3 weeks. The compact size and tough nature make it ideal for beginners or small spaces. Plus, it's pet safe, which is a nice bonus. 5. String of Pearls. Senecio raulianus. String of Pearls is a trailing succulent that looks like, you guessed it, tiny green pearls on a string. It's a bit more delicate, but worth the effort. It needs bright, indirect light, and if you can hang it near a south or west-facing window, it'll love you for it. Let the soil dry out completely between waterings, and be careful not to overdo it. The roots rot easily. If it starts looking shriveled, that's a sign it's thirsty. It's especially pretty in hanging pots or high shelves, where the strands can spill down dramatically. 6. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera isn't just pretty, it's useful. The gel inside its leaves is great for burns or skincare, but it also happens to be one of the easiest succulents to grow indoors. It needs bright, direct sunlight, at least 6 hours a day, so a sunny window is best. Water it only when the soil is dry, at least 2 inches down, and always plant it in well-draining soil. Don't let it sit in water or soggy soil, or the roots will rot. With the right light, it can grow pretty big indoors. 7. Panda Plant. Kalanchoe tomentosa. The Panda Plant is soft and fuzzy, with gray-green leaves edged in brown, almost like it's dusted with cocoa powder. It's a fun one to touch and has a unique texture compared to other succulents. It prefers bright, indirect light, but can handle a bit of morning sun too. Water only when the soil is fully dry, and avoid wetting the fuzzy leaves too often. It's super drought tolerant, making it perfect for people who forget to water sometimes, or often. 8. Burro's tail, Sedum morganianum. Burro's tail, also known as donkey's tail, is a showstopper with trailing stems full of plump, soft green leaves. It's best grown in a hanging pot, but handle with care. The leaves fall off really easily. It thrives in bright light, and a few hours of direct sun will help it grow strong and full. Like others on this list, it needs infrequent watering. Let it dry out completely before watering again. It's a bit more sensitive than other succulents, but once it settles in, it can grow beautifully long tails. 9. Gasteria. Gasteria is often overlooked, but it's fantastic for low-light rooms. Its thick, tongue-shaped leaves are dark green with little speckles or stripes, and it's very tolerant of neglect. Unlike some succulents, Gasteria can grow in medium to low indirect light, making it ideal for office corners or north-facing rooms. Water sparingly, about once every 2 to 3 weeks, and use a gritty, sandy soil. It grows slowly, but is one of the most forgiving indoor succulents out there. 10th, Lithops, living stones. Lithops are wild-looking little succulents that literally mimic pebbles. They're small, often about the size of a coin, and they grow low to the soil. They like bright light, especially in the morning, and prefer small containers with fast-draining soil. These plants go dormant in summer and winter, so you'll only water them during active growing seasons, usually fall and spring. Overwatering is the #1 reason they die. They're weird, fascinating, and fun if you like something truly unique. Succulents are perfect for people who want a little greenery without the stress. Just a bit of sunlight, the right soil, and don't go overboard on water, and they'll thrive. Which one do you think would look best in your space? Let me know down below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, maybe share it with a fellow plant lover, and subscribe for more down-to-earth plant content. See you next time.